The way your hips moving, I see the devotion. You've been looking at me, I gotta take actions. When I make love, I do it with a passion. I don't go for rocks, I am looking for diamonds. Can you please listen? Come stay for the weekend. If you decline,
what is up, you guys? So I'm coming to you guys with a back to school hairstyle look. I'm gonna take my brush, and I think I need to do this middle braid over, but I don't know how to braid, so I'm going to brush this sides out because I had like spritz in my hair, so I'm just gonna soften my hair back up. And depending on the texture of your hair, you wanna get like the bundles you're gonna be using to be similar. So if you're gonna do curly, you can use your natural hair and wet your hair so that it looks similar, because you don't want no kinky hair and then straight coming out the back of your ponytail. Doesn't look cute. So I'm going to be using the Organique Mastermix, and I got the loose deep. I don't know how I'm about to finesse this color though, because as you can see, my hair is not that color, but I did try to add like some blonde in it, so we're just gonna have to finesse it. So I got my hot comb, and once it heats up, I'm just gonna straighten it out as much as I can. Take my Ebin 24 hours edge control in the color warm brown. I did not know edge control had a color, but this is all I have right here. So do my baby ears. I'm at my grandmother's house, and the only place where I could record was in front of this mirror on the floor, so excuse the lighting and everything. You want to get your ponytail as tight as possible. Okay, so now I'm gonna use these two bundles, 24-inch and 26-inch. And the thing that I like about this hair, this brand, is they have a variety of textures and colors So, and this is only $26.99 for like the length 24 to 28. So you get 3 bundles long for 26 inches. It is super great for the style that I'm going for. Very inexpensive. You could either get away, like if I was to do like a low ponytail, I would use 1 bundle. To the picture that I have wearing it, it was a different texture though. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert both bundles. I'm gonna start with the longer bundle first and then the shorter bundle. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unwrap the weft. I'm gonna keep it folded, and I'm going to take this side, the open side, and I'm gonna take a piece of hair, and instead of using rubber bands, I'm just gonna wrap it around my bun. So before I add the second bundle, I'm going to take a bobby pin and basically just pin the hair over the bun that I have so that it's not showing when I put the other bundle on, because this one seems to be showing. Like when you go for a higher ponytail, your bun tends to show through the hair and stuff. The low one is usually fine, so second bundle. I'm gonna brush this bundle out before I put it in because I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the other bundle and take a strand of hair from the end of the weft and wrap it around. We're going to take the pieces from the end of the hair and wrap that to hide the tracks at the back of your head. This is when you're going to want to take the bobby pin and secure that last strand. it. It's super easy to achieve. And like I said, this brand does have different textures and colors. So this is the loose deep. If you want to see me make more videos on ponytail hairstyles or hairstyles with that pack hair, just comment below, let me know, I'll do it. I'm gonna come back. Oh yeah, one more thing. I got these hair rings from my beauty supply store for like $2. So let's just see.
Se pone loquita si me escucha en la emisora y ahora.
Y de pensar que yo contigo quiero